Hello friends, now to solve this expression we use BODMAS rule which dictates the correct order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for O, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step, solve the inner parentheses. Here is two small parentheses. First 14 minus 4 is equals to 10. Second one is 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. So now according to this, current expression becomes curly bracket 120 divided by 10 curly bracket of divided square bracket 24 divided. So now according to step 1, BODMAS says we must always resolve the innermost grouping symbols first to simplify the terms within the large bracket. Now step 2, solve the curly bracket. As you can see, the curly bracket 2 multiplied by 3 and 120 divided by 2. So we solve both the curly brackets. So now it will become 12 and after 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. So now the current expression becomes 12 divided by square bracket 24 divided by 6. According to this step 2, once the round parentheses are gone, we move to the next layer of grouping curly brackets to further reduce the expression. Now move to the third step, solve the square bracket. So 24 divided by 6 equals to 4. And according to this, the current expression becomes 12 divided by 4. And step 3 says we resolve the final grouping symbols to leave only the primary operations. So now finally step 4, finally we divide the values and after we'll get 3 and 3 is the final result. According to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, the final result is 3 and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.